Welcome to our channel Neon Forge. In this episode of Tech News at 10, we have an update on renewable energy. New TerraBoxes turn electricity and sand into solar panels. Before going into the topic, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel Neon Forge. Come, let us go into the topic. Yes, these boxes fight climate change and could one day be sent to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Luxembourg-based startup Manu Electric aims to send small warehouse container-like boxes that are capable of building solar panels using only electricity and sand to Earth's deserts in order to help fight climate change. If that goes according to plan, the company then hopes to breach the final frontier by sending their boxes to the moon, Mars, and beyond in order to aid future space colonies with their energy requirements, a report from Inverse explains. The process of the company's product, TerraBox, almost seems too simple to be true. As Manu Electric explains on its website, the TerraBox is a fully automated factory, capable of producing solar panels using only sand and electricity as inputs. The mini factories fit inside shipping containers, meaning they can be transported to remote desert locations where they can produce the solar panels needed to harvest clean solar energy. Aside from helping combat climate change, the potentially revolutionary product could also help reduce the reliance of renewable energy operators on China, which manufactures the majority of the world's photovoltaic solar panels. It is often forgotten that the traditional photovoltaics (PV) production process produces significant amounts of greenhouse gases. While today's solar panels are cleaner than our current energy mix, their production process produces more CO2 per kilowatt-hour than where we need to be by 2040 to stop global warming. Manu is able to produce its solar panels without any greenhouse gas emissions, which means the panels are 100% clean from the moment they are produced until the end of their lifetime. What's there for us? Materials and energy are the largest costs in today's solar panel production processes. By using low-cost feedstock and our own produced electricity as inputs, Manu can significantly reduce the cost of its solar panels. Reducing solar panel costs means more solar projects become economically viable, resulting in a faster transition to renewable energy. 1/3 of the land on Earth is covered in deserts. Manu can use any type of sand to produce its solar panels. Manu's factories are fully transportable, allowing us to bring the factory to the construction site and produce panels on site. Converting the moon into a power source for space travel. Manu Electric says it will pilot its technology here on Earth in 2022 while also developing a moon-bound version of its TerraBox that is designed to convert lunar regolith into high-purity silicon. This, in theory, should allow it to produce 1 megawatt of solar panels annually. The solar panel building process also releases oxygen as a byproduct, which could be utilized by future astronauts to create breathable environments in space. Manu Electric's Space TerraBox is being designed to be lighter so that it can be easily transported off-world. The company's CEO Joost van Oorschot told Inverse that the TerraBox made for Earth and the one made for space share approximately 60% of the same technology. With NASA's Artemis and Lunar Gateway missions set to establish a human presence on the Moon from 2024, Manu Electric's technology could help establish a human presence on our nearest celestial neighbor. According to German solar company Desertec, covering only a small patch of the Sahara Desert in solar panels could provide enough energy for the entire planet, so imagine what could be achieved if large solar farms on the Moon. If the plans of NASA and companies like Manu Electric are a success, a future energy-abundant moon could act as a springboard for humanity that can truly be able to call itself a spacefaring civilization. Thank you for watching this video. Do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel Neon Forge. Meet you next week with another tech news. Till then, take care, bye bye.